Hi, welcome to Sweet Sorcery. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favourite recipes for Bolognese. This recipe is great to use as a base for spaghetti bolognese, lasagna or even cannelloni. You can find the written recipe on our website sweet-sorcery.com. There is a link in the description box below. Gather together your ingredients so you can follow along with me. Start by peeling your carrots and onion and chop off the ends. Chop the onion roughly into quarters. In a food processor, add the carrots and onion. Blitz until there are no big chunks. This should only take about 10 seconds. If you don't have a food processor, you can dice the veggies finely instead. In a large saucepan, add a good dollop of olive oil and heat over a medium to low heat. Pop in your veggies and lightly fry for about 10 minutes until they're soft and the onion is translucent. Add the 500 grams of beef and the 500 grams of pork minced to the pot. Keep stirring until the meat has browned and has broken up into small pieces. You will notice when the meat has browned, you may have a pool of liquid. Keep frying this off until the liquid has evaporated and the meat starts to sizzle again. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste or 2 garlic cloves crushed and mix it in. Let that cook for another minute or two before transferring the meat into a slow cooker. If you don't have a slow cooker, you can continue to cook this in the saucepan over a low heat. Now we want to add the rest of the ingredients to the meat. Add 800 grams of tinned whole tomatoes, a cup of sweet red wine, one stock pot, about a teaspoon of thyme and oregano finely diced. You can use dried herbs if you'd prefer. Two teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, some cracked pepper to taste, and give it all a good stir. Then panic as you realise you've forgotten one of the most important ingredients, tomato paste. Stir in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and let it cook on high for 2 hours in the slow cooker, or on low heat if you're doing it on the stovetop. Serve over a bowl of your favourite pasta and top with Parmesan cheese. You can now enjoy a lovely hearty meal and freeze the leftovers for later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.